So we finally have an end date for the homeless encampment on Victoria Street here in Kitchener. So Region of Waterloo has finally come up with a plan. Everybody will be vacating the site around November, December of this year, 2025, and Metrolinx wants to start building their new transit hub there in March 2026. So it's unfortunate for the people who are currently living there. They've got a bunch of social workers and people making plans to see where people may possibly be able to move into. When that time comes, they have to vacate the property. But this is good news for the city and the region, obviously. It's a cool looking building there. More access to trains and transit is nothing but a good thing. Lots of extra work for skilled trades on site, and then obviously more work for people who are going to work there. So it's unfortunate for the people that are there, but I think this may end up being a win-win for everybody in this situation.